Dog 144, you tell that Dynamite White sit down there, behave himself. Old Squeaker with a high five, and I'm standing on down. I just thought I'd let him know that I'm Witch Doctor's backup, just in case. Just in case, but I don't think I'll need it anymore. Witch Doctor can handle himself. But tell Dynamite White good morning. And I heard number 9 out there too. So hey, top of the day to you. You all have a good one. Old Squeaker down here standing down. I was waiting just a second. Mr. Coily had a little bit of a hammer down right there coming out of Georgia. Top of the day to you, Mr. Coily. I hope you're having a good one there. Good to hear from you. And I didn't catch the 28 on who asked me if I was waiting on. Because I'm just sitting here looking like this with a train wreck in my radio there. Go ahead.
Well, you sure got a train wreck in there now. Hey, Squeaker. You got a train wreck in your radio now. Hey, Squeaker. Old Dog 144 in Indiana said you got a train wreck in there now. Hello, worldwide Squeaker on the west side. Dog 144 downtown Indianapolis, Indiana. And I'm breaking by standing by.
Hey, Doc 144, you must be the locomotive, because you took care of the train wreck and you're the locomotive and pushed right on through. Doc 144, I'm trying to get it on back one more time, see what happened.
Hey, Squeaker. This is what happened. You was coming back, but then Mr. Ebony King bumped down. Good afternoon. Well, it's still morning there. Good morning to you. Hey, Squeaker. Mr. Ebony King is right
back. You hit the derail switch. You derailed the locomotive, and you came right on through. Hey, Ebony King, top of the morning to you. I'm sitting out here just looking like this, but I'm having a little bit of fun too. Mr. Ebony King, good morning. I'm stepping on down.
Now.
Well, boy, I tell you what, Ebony, that dog 144 over there is riding right along beside you there. I was catching maybe a word every 3 or 4. It was kind of a little bit rough. But you better watch out for them boys up there in Indiana, because they got a little Mother Nature, too. But good morning time to you, Ebony King, and Mr. Dr. 144. I'm standing on down.
There it is again in that Squeaker. I didn't come to stay. Just wave at Mr. Ebony King for me and tell him I said hello and wish him well. We're going to be the weekend.
I don't even know if Ebony keyed back up that time. That's how rough that one was. I heard Doc 144 say, tell Ebony King I said a great big hello when you got 4 fingers and a thumb in the air, and that's about all I heard. Anyway, I'll get back in the bushes. Well, I'll get back on the edge of the bushes. I ain't getting in there with Witch Doctor. But I'm standing on down here taking a listen. I'll catch you all in a bit.
My mobile got down. very good. There's no doubt about that. One minute I got the squeaker in there, and then there's a whole bunch of them in there. Just had my radio all messed up. Old Doc 144 downtown, race car Capri, y'all. I'm gonna be reading the mail now. Did I hear somebody call me? I want to know how long it's gonna be before you speak about that one. Hey, y'all, go, folks. Oh, yeah, let me go. We got to go, folks. Y'all just back out. Man, speaking. Slow talk. Man, Mr. Mobile got down. It's a beautiful day. It's time for us to play. Come on. Oh, slow. Get right, Zobo. By you rocking on that cabin in here. You got the cabin stretched out.
Hey, WW Mobile, I heard you out there calling this way, babe, and he's got my ear hole, so I'm going to sit down and take a listen. Top of the morning to you, and I'm gone.
I love this. Pull that right on speaking over to my 5 minutes a game with you. I can't do nothing about that. I only can go what I hear, what I see, what I do. Hello, speaking, your www.com, name my mobile back down. Hey, Slowpoke 24/7. Hello to you, Slowpoke San Bernardino.
I was trying to cross key with Slowpoke there, so I didn't interfere, but you take care, be good. I got it all that time. www.mobile. I'll see you. Bye-bye.
To the weekend. Dr. 144 and Indiana stepped away once again. I picked a long time of day to play. I want to see Big Dog, Big Chief on the driver. I want to see Big Dog, Machete, Big Chief on the small driver, man. They're swinging real hard. Oh, Bobby Johnson in the hall yard at back quiet. Well, Jay, you say you're going back to the $1 million work, there's no doubt about it. I just want Bobby down and tell her Big Box, so Big Chief working his driver, getting down. Bye. With you, can I hear with you? Good evening, time, Mr. Which Doctor Bobby Johnson got down? Bye, brother. Have a good day. Have a good weekend and have a good day. Big Box, Big Chief on his driver, getting down. Bye. Hello, Big Box, Mr. Coily. Hello, Big Box, Mr. Coily. Don't get back on that witch doctor. No rush on witch doctor. Hey, Slowpoke, Big Chief on the driver. Slowpoke, hello to you. Oh, Big Chief working his driver, bro. Working all these Toshibas, and I'm back quiet. 4-7 getting your radio. Hey, Machete, Las Vegas, Nevada, on that. Where you in Nevada? Hey, Big Bob Machete, Stone Pony. Hold it down, on your leader. Slowpoke West Side. Big Chief working his driver, getting down. That's it, hello. Bump it down. Right on, where's Dr. No contact, Machete. Chief working his driver, getting down. Slowpoke, I see. Oh, no. No contact. Wish knocked them out. Back wide. What are you waiting for? Slow pole King 5, baby. My damn speaker sound like a bass drum. I'll see you. Bye-bye. Well, you got some superpower too, ain't no doubt about that. You got some superpower out on the east side. Doc 144 in there, Mother Nature leaving us, so we're gonna pull back and wait for Mother Nature to do it again. Doc 144 in Indiana, back on the mail. Sound like all kind of shit. Can't make it sound like that. You be careful on the workbench, and I'll get back with you. Kid 21, tell them all, say hello, wish them all well. Dr. 144 with the weekend wave, and I'm back on the mail. You back quiet? Seriously, don't get out of here, son. Keep on fast, man. What's one about his 10A station? Got good ears and darn good transfer. A lot of people ain't got that, man. You got the best of both worlds, good transfer. I was trying to ask him to shit went 5 on it. He must have went back to 7. Let me get on out of here and ease this thing back. Big Chief on my driver, getting down, getting down.
Out of station, I heard Tommy all week. Hey, Golden Boy, your friend Woodchucker out Buffalo, New York, and then we tell maybe one more time. Now, why don't you sit here and let this thing warm up?
I wouldn't worry about no Big Chief in there today now, real bad. I thought you was going to do some work. I wouldn't worry about no contact Big Chief in there on 5-6. 750, I don't know who ran 5766 might have ran about. Somebody ran 50 off on Big Chief, so I ain't here in a couple of days. We got down. 43. Hey, where's that Bobby Johnson looking? How about that?
You know, Woodchuck, Buffalo, New York, right?
Camels on 300. You boys is rough out here. If you hear me, take care of that. They wouldn't go over Bob on like that with this. I know he's a lot of skunk and he can't want you to run across the job, but they were putting that switch on with this. Somebody played the playback from 5-ball. He heard the 5-ball. He 5-ball heard the playback. He turned his radio to the left and ran like a well was on fire. I'll tell you, Slowpoke. I'll tell you, Machete, old Big Chief, back quiet.
Mr. Big Stuff. Big Stuff in the deep south got down.
Yeah, well, I know he's the #1 rug rat, but I don't think they'd do him like that. I think he's straight up with the tarantulas and snakes out there to sell to go ahead on the bed like this. Big Bob, stop 144 in here, I heard you. Hello, which Dr. Bobby Johnson getting down? Yeah, it's Slowpoke, Big Chief saying you're a bad cow, big a bag. Well, he's not in Johnson enough to go and do no jumping across it, so we ain't got to worry about that. Look like the boy just going to have to burn candles and kerosene. Put it on your later. Doc 144 in Indiana. I didn't come to stay. I just learned to play. I'll get back with you. Hey, worldwide, which Dr. Bobby Johnson running the whole yard reading the mail? With all that hot air he got coming out of that big box, all he has to do is back up to it and plug in. You can tell him I said that too there, won't you? Until a big stick show up. Around on the button? Hey, where's the doctor? And I'll bump it down one more time, let you know I heard you, and I'm gone now. Slowpoke West Side, Big Chief and the Swamps got down. See, over that kind of big witch doctor come in there and took you out, but I heard you say hello to me, and I'm going to say hello right back while you moving and grooving in that long old Suburban. No, 300 on the west side, Doc 144. I'll bump it down and let you know I heard you. You want me to wave at you and say hello, welcome you to the weekend. I'm going to welcome over y'all to the weekend. Yo, 300 in the motor car, your Doc 144, downtown, race car capital. And I can't keep doing it like this, so I'm going to back it down. 300, I'll get back with you. Well, you know how it is, Slowpoke. I ain't train driver, ain't got no business out here. I don't know how come he's out here. I don't know how come train driver's out here, but I tell 300 that you said hello on that end, and you want me to be careful on talking to him because you don't have no insurance on that mobile. Slowpoke on the west side, Doc 144 in Indiana Road, like you told it. Slowpoke, I didn't come to stay. Yippee-yi-yay, hey, welcome to the weekend. Slowpoke today, Doc 144 in Indiana. I'm going to back it down because I can't keep doing it like that. I'll get back with you.
Hey, Mr. the Ebony King. Ebony is getting on out.
Oh, great, smart. No, he's got any conditions today, back by. He got my radio 300. I can't tell him that. That guy's figure, when old Slowpoke key down, he take my whole radio. But anyway, y'all over back it on down, step back and read the mail. But I'll be back. Doc 144 gonna be on the low side of that 22 steel spectrum. And I'm gone now. And I'll bump it down one more time, let you know I heard you. 300, say I see you, bye. Did nobody come in there with you? You did it all by yourself, but they didn't key down, sure did. Put it on you later, 300, the horn blower. A lot of people don't know nothing about that, but I'll get back with you.
Hello, Slowpoke, show and go waving.
I'll catch y'all later on. I'm gonna back it down now. Where are you? Don't get back, please. Likewise, Mr. Worldwide Witch Doctor. While she's spreading out kind of big voodoo. Doc 144 downtown, race car capital. And I'm spreading a lot of voodoo. I'll get back with you. You say you're in the neighborhood? I appreciate it. Hey, I just want to wave back and tell you, welcome to the weekend, man. Put it on your later, please. Big Chief on this driver. Got down. Hello, Witch Doctor. Here I come. Bobby Johnson got down. You make a lot of noise, little boss. Hey, little boss, most worse, you make a lot of noise up here. Hey, little boss, put here. You see, you getting in the neighborhood. It's all good in the hood. Hey, 300. You're doing good in the duck plucking hood. Put it on your later, 300. Big Chief on the swamp, man.
right, Doc. You got that right.
You got that cow biggest suburban smoking in the BYU. All right, then. Well, I ain't gonna do no harm to you. I'm gonna get back here and read your mail.
Yeah. When I'm back on the mail.
Power supply ain't no problem. You ought to be able to fix that yourself. In the driveway, the 14 sitting in the driveway, down my right. 14 over here sitting in the driveway. Big Chief got down.
Yeah, I just gotta find time to do it. In the antenna part, I'm gonna need help with the antenna part.
But I got in a man's background. If you talking about dynamite around Buckeye 10, he ain't got no business out here that way, Doctor. And if you accidentally hear him, tell him old Doc 144 in there and say hello. But if you talking about dynamite around Buckeye 10, that kind of big ain't got no business out here that way. Louisiana, real good copy, come on. Here comes the right on that show. I really did. I should have known you could talk about dynamite watching that so close. All right, I'm backing on down once again. Doc 144, downtown Ridge Park Capital. I'm going to listen to y'all's talk show out there. Y'all got a good talk show going on in the corn patch.
Tell Slowpoke he better watch out.
Hello, Debbie. Hey, Debbie, we get some, right on, Silver. I just want to let Big Chief in the BYU. I'll see you. Bye. Bye. Doggone, I can't get it down no further than that. Small station in Alabama. Lake Charles, Louisiana, on my ground plane, I'm gone. Me and this driver. I'll see you now. Yeah, they must get you paid out. Chicken George, Alabama. Chicken George, Alabama.
Hey, Slowpoke, before you go 10-7, we just want to say good evening to you on that end. Hello, Slowpoke 0340 in the Mobile. Slowpoke 0340 in the Mobile, St. Louis, looking bright.
No, right, Slowpoke. Don't miss out on them rips from me. He ain't no governor. I keep telling you he's no governor. Hey, Slowpoke, I keep telling you he's not the governor no more. Catch me later, Slowpoke, I'm gone. Let me bump it down one more time. Low rider ground plane in Lake Charles standing by.
Roger, man. Tell my girlfriend 411 I got some cabbage for him. Tell him I got a big old head of cabbage I'm gonna fix for him that break.
You better hurry up, Cat Baby. You say you going to the gym, you better hurry up, Tempo.
Mobile 340 with no condition on Mr. Slowpoke.
Yeah, that's my girlfriend. He loves that cabbage. Every damn cabbage, I ain't cutting the heart out because he likes to leave the heart in there. So I'm gonna cook him a big old pot of cabbage.
So leave 411 on the mall and go on to the gym.
Alright, man.
Yeah, 410. We'll go on to the stuff, Cat Baby. I just want to holler at you before you get on out of there, no doubt about it. I need to be going to the gym myself, but you know how it is. You get set in your ways, you don't want to go. Put it on you later. Slow pole, sounding good. You know who getting down.
Mobile downtown St. Louis and I got down.
Yeah, about that slow pole, low rider by you country. Yeah, about that slow pole, low rider by you country, ground plane break.
Hey, Rich Dog, you say you don't hit no slowpoke. I just know when you got that gun down so it's out like that. Hello, Rich Dog, the old 3 and 4.
That's the way he likes it.
You right, that is the hard part. You guys don't have to make a thing, man. We just start calling the captain head. If we give it to him, we just start calling the captain head. Go deal.
Appreciate it, Rich Dog. I'm not sure if you're acknowledging 340 call or not, no doubt. Hello, it's Rich Doctor. Once again, 340 downtown St. Louis, Mo, I got down.
Appreciate the bump down, man.
Hey, Rich Doctor, good evening to you, man. I just coming in to say a few words. I gotta get out here and get on this X-Mar. Hello to you, Rich Doctor. Take care of slow folk. Tell P-Funk I said what's up. 549 is never clear.
Mr. Wish Doctor 340. 340 is Mobile downtown St. Louis. I just got down.
Dinner out, you man. Eating all over.
410, so 410 Wish Doctor. I heard both of y'all. 549 rocking on.
I see.
Out there and get in the yard. Got him a little workout in. Yeah, on the damn
Hey, Wish Doctor, you said a little bit more. That guy make a bit that gone, man. He said he going 10-7, but he done been around us so long, he act just like us there. 410.
Hey, Wish Doctor, old slow.
Yeah, 410 Wish Doctor. I know I got a little bit of it. I'm trying to manage this thing. Hey, Wish Doctor, I bought me a new radio. I'm just playing with it. 410. Yeah, you be like Mr. California. He just straight told me yesterday that I sound like a truck driver there. 410.
Arkansas, the bottom end is reading the mail.
Rising beans.
But I'm gonna tell you something, I ain't lying there, 410.
I guess I ain't quite got enough to do enough. Arkansas, the bottom end is reading the mail.
Yeah, I can bring it on out, I imagine. I bring it on out a little bit more. I bring it on out just a little more, 410. Oh, 10, always good to have a Wish Doctor around. Catch you later, Wish Doctor. I'm gone. Bye, bye, bye.
You know right out there. You heard the playback, didn't you? You heard the playback when
Don't you try to turn into Motor Mouth Mall there, 549. Don't you try that.
59 coming from.
Ain't nothing wrong with a truck driver. Ain't nothing wrong with a truck driver, Squeaker. I see.
Yeah, dynamite white.
I hear you. Hey, Master P, I hear you. Ain't nothing wrong with a truck driver for sure. I just given 549 to Dickens, man. He got that little bit of echo and hollow sound there. I thought he was trying out a new Motor Mouth Mall radio or something there, Break.
But that's what I am. I'm a truck driver too. So ain't nothing wrong with a truck driver. Hey, but I say I'm a steering wheel holder.
Well, I was a steering wheel holder for the Navy when I was out there. That's what I did. I drove that 5,000-gallon truck all over the place, fueling aircraft. I was a mini truck driver. Anyway, hey, top of the day to you. Hey, Master P, good to hear you, man. I'm stepping on down.
And I want to thank you for your service, though. First of all, I want to thank you for your service, Captain. Hey, Squeaker, I want to thank you for your service, and you have a super fine weekend, too. Me and this old great big transmitter one more time. Get down.
108 Arkansas, reading the mail. I don't see nothing. What you know?
That damn SwitchBlade out there now. That damn SwitchBlade out there now. Squeaker, I see you. Bye-bye.
Yep, he's starting to fade in on mine, too. Sure enough. Alrighty, I'll catch you later. Have a good one, Master P. I'll see you. Bye-bye.
I hope you heard what I said. I want to thank you for your service. You said you drove them trucks for the Navy? Thank you for your service. Hey, Squeaker, I see you.
And I thank you. No doubt. Yes, sir. Back in the 70s. It was a long, long time ago. Hey, Master P. I still live next to the air station out here because I forgot to go home. But top of the day to you, I'm gone.
Okay, and all right, man. Pleasure never measure. Let me ease on back. Top of the day to you one more time and have a super fine weekend.
I ain't got nothing to do with you. You fucking let that stunt lady for nothing you damn phone over. I ain't got nothing to do with you. I ain't got nothing to do with you, because, and I overheard you. I heard you said you gonna stick your ground plane in 5 balls back pocket. You said you were a taco truck. I ain't said you. You mad because the fat lady tilt your antenna over. Hey, you better be glad she didn't tilt your whole damn truck over trying to get some tacos. Taco truck, my bad. Yesterday morning, I was in Arkansas. Yesterday morning, you sold 400 tacos. And yesterday evening, you were scheduled to sell 600 tacos. You said you was roadkill. Well, hold up, man. If you sold 400 tacos.
Hello, Dynamite White. The 4-pill mobile smoking. Dynamite White, 4-pill mobile. Bye, bye, bye.
Take care. 3800. I gotta go.
410, Dynamite White. Keep on doing what you're doing with the 4-pill. Because the 4-pill is working, coming this way. Dynamite White, your friend, the click of the Bluegill Nation. Bye, bye, bye.
On this mobile, and I'm back out.
Four 410, Mr. Dynamite White, watch me get down. That 4-pill mobile is sounding good. Bye, bye, bye.
Big Mama, they used to have a Big Mama antenna years ago in the 70s. You remember that Big Mama antenna? Well, you better go over and feed them fat lady. You think...
Oh, yeah. Then watch them boys in them taco trucks.
I just saw the stand out of my way. Where are you going? Oh my goodness, man. I'll tell you what though, come Sunday, if anybody want to talk skip, come Sunday. Sunday gonna be a good day to talk skip, cause all the power gonna be in one flame. Take care of SwitchBlade, get down.
Mother Nature's changing, no doubt about that. Let me get my knees and breeze on this cat making in. Oh, 340 to Mobile. 340 is Mobile, St. Louis. Oh, I'm just saying, I see you. Bye.
Oh. You have a nice weekend also. I appreciate you talking to a rent-a-car an hour ago. Hey, Taco Truck, I appreciate you talking to the rent-a-car. I appreciate you talking to the rent-a-car. You don't want to hurt me. You don't want to hurt the rent-a-car, Taco Truck. Maybe just because you got that grind plate stuck on the Taco Truck. Take care. Call you later. Hey, rice and beans. Hey, beans and rice. SwitchBlade 3800 27 going outside. Bye-bye. Superman's cape. Take care. I gotta go.
On this old Coily 148, and I'm standing by. Okay, 42, take care. Switch with double measure, 420, I'm gone. Bye-bye.
Taco truck, get them tacos together. He'll be trying to give you some possums. Oh, now evening. Now, if you miss your quarter, man, you're okay. If you miss a set today, you're okay. Hey, rice and beans, I gotta go outside anyway. Take care. I gotta make preparation for the party come Sunday around Wolf Lake. Take care. Call you later. Rice and beans. SwitchBlade having a cookout at Wolf Lake. Bye-bye.
Hey, 420, your friend on this end or whatever, 12 step.
That don't sound right. Hey, Taco Truck, that did not sound right. All the big mamas come straight to your pole. That don't sound right. Take care, I really got to go. Bye-bye.
Hello. Hey, rice and beans, you got a copy? Hey, rice and beans, whatever, 12 sucker on the radio.
Yeah, okay, copy. Before you go, though, I want to know, on national radio, now you were ghost talking when I was in America. You was coming back to... Before you go, on national radio, why the big mamas always attached to your phone? Hey, Taco Truck, before you go, can you answer me on national radio? Well, all all the big mamas is attached to your pole. SwitchBlade knows the way. Yeah, but you still talk 5 or 10 minutes with it laying down. I heard you. I was still in the rental car. You talk 5 or 10 minutes with your antenna laying down. You said, well, ain't no reason about picking it up. Everybody will still hear you with your fiberglass. I am saying glass now, with your glass on the ground. You know I'm talking to you. Some people be thinking I'm saying my ass on the ground. I'm saying glass. They ain't talking to you. I really got to go in right there. Copy. Good job. Take care, Taco Truck. Hey, beans and rice and beans. Take care, bro. We'll talk some more. And welcome back to the Super Bowl now for Cat Mickey Show. Hey, take care, Taco Truck. Tijuana, Border, SwitchBlade 10-6.
Hey, Blade, you know how he gets them big girls on his pole?
Stand by, Squeaker. I think that was Squeaker either. Let me see. I think that was Squeaker. Somebody real low was calling me. Somebody had 1 pound of me and said, hey, SwitchBlade. Somebody said, Big Daddy. Who they calling me, Blade? I appreciate you standing by, Squeaker. I got 1 pound on you, Daddy. I think you said War Daddy? War Mac or War Daddy? Take care, War Daddy. I know you said Northwest Corner Evergreen. Up there in Clarence, Carter Country. Take care. Be well. I got 1 pound on you. I heard you, and I'm speaking to you. God bless you. Bye-bye.
War Daddy, Mr. 45. Hey, War Daddy, Mr. 45 in the Carolinas calling you.
I'm going to spec fishing. I need something to reach across them bushes, man. And I want that Cat Mickey ground plane with some 5 pound or 10 pound jet line. I was like, roll it.
Yeah, I got 15 on you and I had 25 on Squeaker. And Squeaker stood by you, didn't you? Took my...
Ground plane up on the pole, then some girls will get on it and they can't do it. It's going to be back down on the ground anyway.
No brakes and no insurance. And the damn taco truck is really sitting on cinder blocks. You trying to hold on you with a damn truck on cinder blocks. They want that. I ain't got my 1 pound on you. I'm glad Squeeze ain't killed up. I can't scream.
I was just gonna say the only reason he's got them big girls up on the pole, he opened the taco truck door and all them bugs come out of there. Them girls jumped up on that pole, and that's how he does it. He waits for him to jump and he gets underneath. Hey, SwitchBlade, I'm stepping on down.
That sound like a player. You said that's a sinner. You said that God
damn taco truck. And every time a fat lady comes by, he open up the door. And when the women are showing up the pole, now we got to go and he won't up the hill. You said, my rights are being, every time they go up the pole, he don't have it, Mr. Streeter. Don't have it, no contact on Streeter. 549. 549 in a mile.
549 started to take over my ears from where he's at there, but I just knew, hey Blade, I just knew that if he let them little bugs out of there, and them big old girls jumped up that pole far enough, that cotton picker ran over there and wrapped himself around that pole with a big old grin on his face, waiting for him to slide down. Hey, top of the day to you, Blade. I'm out of the way.
See, I can't tell you the traffic you got. You're sitting on radio. I'm going to go 300. 549 on that green big old power. I can't do nothing about it. But tell 549 because I'm talking about it. Yeah, there it is. It sounds like a truck. No drive all of these sitting down at the end of the park at me. Send me another shot of Crown Black with a dab of orange juice on back up. Hey, Squeaker, when my tag 549 get off the mall, tell him SwitchBlade say you sound like a truck driver, and tell him I wish you well, and I hope he comes out Sunday. Take care, Squeaker, SwitchBlade 300. Peace out.
Alrighty, Blade. Yeah, I think he stood by there. I didn't hear it that time there, but hey, you take care, be good. I'll tell 549. If you don't be careful with that little bitty echo stuff there, he'd be transmitting like a truck driver, no doubt. But I think he said he was one anyway, so it didn't matter. You be good, take care. Hey, SwitchBlade, I'm back out. I'm out of the way. Take it a listen. Bye-bye. Well, I got a whole radio full of everybody, and top of the morning to you there, Ben Cartwright, top of the afternoon. You were the only one left on the when everybody else unkeyed. But top of the day to you, I hope you have a good one, Ben Cartwright. Look at right there, I'm gone.
Hey, Mr. Street, I didn't key. Go 549. Back west. Them some miles down like a truck driver. 549. Bye. Whatever, 12 seconds on the wheel. No Mother Nature coming out of Carolina, whatever, 12 seconds.
Oh, my driver quit. I'm a sitting here listening.
Yeah, I saw that. That kind of nigga's still getting out, though. Your driver might have quit, but you're still getting out. Put it on your later, Squeaker. Ben Cartwright, 388-77. Got down.
All right, I guess it was just my meter that quit. I guess it was just the meter that quit or something there, because I don't see anything coming out of it. But anyway, I'm out of the way until I get this technical difficulty figured out. Mr. Ben Cartwright, have a good day. I'm standing on down.
Fire, please. Ain't no damn Cartwright. My name is SwitchBlade. Ain't no damn Cartwright. My name is SwitchBlade. I know I gotta go. I'll see if we can get married. Hey, Squeaker. Hey, Squeaker, SwitchBlade gotta go to the service.
All right, Blade, I had a little technical malfunction there, but I figured out what it was. Just the bird meter's got a dirty switch when you got that peak kit in there. But anyway, you're going 10-7. You have a good afternoon. Blade, always a pleasure, man. Have a good one. I'm stepping out.
Hey, Squeaker. Hello, SwitchBlade. Ben Cartwright there. Have a good afternoon. RC 509. See you all. Good day. RC. Bye. 388.77. Got down.
Hey, Blade, old Ben Cartwright over there said to have a good afternoon, too. He put his hand in the air and said, see ya. I'm a-gone.
Quiet, Squeaker. Tell him. 388.77. Bye-bye. Bubba Johnson in the hog yard, that's right. RC, that shot nigga can't get back. I'll put these 388.77s on him. Bubba Johnson can't get back. Hello, RC, the referee. Ben Cartwright is 10-7. Bye-bye. Bye, RC. Bye. RC, have a good day. Enjoy your weekend. And I'll talk to you later. Hey, RC, the referee. Oh, Ben Cartwright, 10-7. Bye-bye. Hey, RC, tell 549 Ben Cartwright to shut up. Hey, RC, tell 549 that Ben Cartwright to shut his mouth. Hey, RC, Ben Cartwright, 10-7. Hey, Trill, you ain't doing nothing lying around. Boy, referee, Ben Cartwright, 10-7. Hey, referee, oh, Ben Cartwright, 10-7. Bye. Take care. RC, Little Joe, 10-7-2. Bye. You better be going too hard to go. I'll call you up if you. Oh, Papa Joe. Hey, Papa Joe, 549 waving. Papa Joe, bye. No audio, Capital 1, yeah. 10, Papa Blue Jay, I got it all that time around. Papa Blue Jay, have yourself a blessed day. 549, I'm walking away. Well, I guess I'll be home for y'all as well. Just woke up from my old man afternoon nap. Thought I'd come back out here and see what was going on. 806, welcome to the weekend. Have a good day, y'all. Click. Papa Blue Jay, I'll see you. Bye. Love to the family, I'll see you. Bye.